Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there lived a small, friendly robot named Dio. Dio was different from the other robots. He had a special ability to understand and talk to animals. One sunny day, Dio met a group of lost baby animals. They were a baby rabbit, a baby bird, and a baby squirrel. They were lost and scared, and Dio felt sad for them. "Don't worry, little ones," said Dio. "I will help you find your homes." With that, Dio led the baby animals on a wonderful adventure. First, they met a wise old owl who showed them the way to the forest. The baby rabbit bounded ahead, hopping with joy. The baby bird fluttered happily, and the baby squirrel scampered along, holding on to Dio's arm. Next, they crossed a sparkling stream. Dio helped the baby animals balance on the smooth stones, and they laughed as they hopped and fluttered across. Finally, they arrived at their homes. The baby rabbit hopped into a warm, cozy burrow. The baby bird flew up into a tall, sturdy nest. And the baby squirrel scampered up a big, strong tree, finding his home high in the branches. Dio was happy to have helped his new friends. He waved goodbye and wished them a good night. The baby animals returned home, and Dio continued on his adventures, always ready to help others. The end.